Welcome to another tutorial on the super simple Axex Dental software. Today we're going to be discussing x-rays, and as always we're going to start by clicking over here on the search and start searching for that patient and selecting the patient that we want to take an x-ray of. It will take us directly to that patient's chart, and as you can see right here, the x-ray was already selected, so it took us back over there. We're going to go ahead and go to the button that says Take X-ray. This will open up this window, and from here we can select what X-ray we're going to be taking this from. In this case, Planmeca Pan X-ray machine. Hit Activate, and now you're ready to take that X-ray. Now we're going over here to our other software and selecting Patient from the top, and then from that patient we're going to look at the modality work list. This is going to give us a window where we can query the DICOM server in our software, and you will give us the name of all the patients that are ready for an x-ray to be taken of them. You can just simply double click on the patient name. You could also just select it and then hit OK at the bottom. Say yes to this window and you're ready to take that patient's x-ray. Now we're going to go up here and we're going to select from the options of what x-ray we're going to take. In this case, the pan. We're going to click on it. You'll see that the button changes to active, and this window will show up and it's waiting for that x-ray to be taken. While we wait for this x-ray to be taken, let me mention that we're using MiPacs Dental Image Viewer to take these x-rays. That's the software that we use. We're technically compatible with all DICOM drivers, but some work better than others, and this is definitely the best that we have used so far. Once the x-ray is taken, it's been exposed, you can go ahead and hit OK down over here, and you will be able to see the image. It loads it full screen to begin with, but before we save it, I was thinking about saving. Before we save, let's go ahead and do some modification. Any modifications that you're going to make need to be done here. Darken, lighten the image, whatever you want to do needs to be done in here. And now you're going to go ahead and save it. Once you save it, it automatically is going to send it back to that PAC server that is included in our software. And we're going to go back to our software. You're going to see here it's waiting for it, and as soon as it's done over there, it's going to automatically go ahead and load it for us into the screen. Now we can take that image and select it from the film strip, put it up on the light box, and then we can make it large so that you can see it very clearly. The light box area is what you imagine it would be. This is where you're going to put all of your pictures in there. If you want to look at more than one picture, say compare two pictures side by side, all you have to do is select a picture from a different date and go ahead and load it up on the screen side by side. You can compare up to 4 images side by side. Those are the limitations of our software right now, but you're able to go ahead and compare up to 4 images side by side. Once you have those loaded there, you can view each one separately, full screen if you want to do that. And remember, you can do this from an iPad, which is very, very handy. You can also select to print the pictures inside your light box by selecting over here, Print Light Box. It will show you all of the pictures that were there. You will give them the name of the patient and the date of birth of that patient, and you can go ahead and print that out. Remember that it's only going to print out what's on the light box. So if you want to do only one picture, just go ahead and remove those other pictures, hit Print Light Box, and it's going to print only that picture. It's going to be ready for you to print out. In addition to that, you can always choose to export the light box. It will immediately show you a file that is being downloaded, and you can select from there. And then finally, you can just clear the light box to start all over again. A very important feature over here is how to import an x-ray. It might be that you don't have the software that you want, or somebody emailed you an x-ray. You can go ahead and hit Import X-ray over here. Simply, search for that file if you know where it's at. Go ahead and select that file and hit open, and right here it will show you, it will let you put a date to that x-ray for future reference, and then it will load it up and it's ready for you to see and work with this patient. Okay, I hope you will join us for another video of Axex Dental, the super simple dental practice management software.